Welcome to Hostripples. What is Laravel? Laravel is a PHP framework that helps developers build modern, secure, and scalable web applications quickly using clean and structured code. Why Laravel is popular? Clean and expressive syntax, built-in tools for authentication, routing, caching, queues, and more. Highly scalable for small to enterprise level applications. Large community and extensive documentation. What Laravel is used for? Admin panels, eCommerce platforms, APIs or backend systems, CRM, HRMS, ERP systems, SaaS applications, blog or CMS systems. Key features of Laravel: MVC architecture, cleaner code separation, Blade templating engine, powerful and fast UI templates, eloquent easy database interaction, routing system, clean and flexible URLs authentication or authorization, ready-made login roles, migrations or seed, a smooth database version control, queues or jobs handling background tasks, artisan-ly automates repetitive commands, unit testing support. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.